Everyone's looking at me, guys. Seriously, can a girl just drive and sing? Is that such a big deal these days? Everyone's just peeking. Morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. So we took a little bit of a break because yeah, we've just been busy with work. And I'm gonna make up any excuses, guys. We just, as soon as we got back from SAR, went straight back into work mode, and also started a new job, which I just want to congratulate my sweet husband on. I'm so proud of him. Babe, I'm so proud of you. Anyways, I am on auntie duty today. I got my little friend here. Can I show you? I'm babysitting my nephew while my sis has her appointments. She gets her hair did. Then we're gonna go to Nell's game, but first, I gotta clean up this mess and give him breakfast. I was gonna cook him a proper breakfast, but he doesn't want it. And I ain't trying to waste any of my food, okay? He wants cereal, so I'm gonna give him a little bit. That's all he gets. About 30 grams. I do not endorse this. I don't really like this choco rice. It's just sugar. But whatever, he eats it at home. I don't know if he does actually. Do you eat this at home?
I did have milk.
But do you eat this one at home?
No, I want to eat your house.
What? So you don't have it at home?
Yeah.
So why are you eating it here?
I want to eat your house.
Oh, you wanted to eat it at my house. Well, we have it because Aussie likes it.
There was like one.
These are Aussie cereals. I just got like the granola and the wheat bix. Those are my kinds of cereals. It's so funny, since me and Mum have gone home, our shopping has like halved, probably even quartered what we used to get, and we still can't get through it. Like this milk, we used to get 3 liters, this is just 1. We can't even get through it. It's about to expire. We threw our other one out because it's just the 2 of us. So in other words, if you're looking for a place to stay, SV Squad House. We're here at the field now with So-So. Got Chikamoko So-So. Evan's over there. Funny story. Mama, yeah, she got shit. I did not even do my hair this morning. And shout out to all the single mothers out there. I mean, I said no to babysitting my nephew, but then my sister really needed to go to her appointment, so I was like, fine, bring him over. So she brought him over, and usually like I had an hour before the game started, and I was late because you just have to get so many things ready to get a child ready, honestly. And it's 4 degrees currently in Canberra. Daniel lost, unfortunately, but the ref was a piece of poo and he sucked. And say hi to Zaya, everyone. Oh, your baby. What happened? Are you okay?
I'm going dirty.
Why? What happened? This is my nephew, my brother's son. And that's his little baby brother, Mona. Say hi. Look at his face. Say hi. His name's Solomon. And this is Amaziah. And they came to watch their big brother Darnell play, didn't you? Good morning, guys, and welcome back to SV Squad Channel.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Georgie. What? This girl, messy everywhere in this house. I'm the woman of this family, you know?
No, you're not, honey.
Yes.
You never cook, you don't clean.
I cook, I clean, I washing, I everywhere. What's up, guys? It's your boy Georgie. Yeah, back with another video, guys. Long time not touching this camera. I don't know what's wrong with us, but we've been busy all week, guys, for work because we're coming back from summer. We need to work harder, get more money for us. Yeah. We plan to do more video for you guys. Don't worry about late uploading. I always work on Saturday, guys. Yeah, but we didn't have a work today. I just finished from the gym because we're going early this morning at 4 o'clock, guys. We wake up and we're going to the lake, walking around the lake, guys. Yeah, when we're getting back, I go to the gym. Coming back from the gym, you know, Snacky girl making her keto food, guys, for good health. And for me, guys, I'm be healthy every day. You know, Georgie boy.
Good morning, guys. Look at my hair. So it has been a good minute since we've picked up the camera. We honestly have just been working these past couple of weeks since we've been back. That video, the prank that I uploaded, was like a few days after we got back from Samoa. We seriously have not picked up the camera since then. I have been so busy with work. I have been in a 4-week training course with SAP. Aussie started a new job and he works 12-hour days from 6 to 6 and then on Saturdays as well. So there have been a lot of changes in our family, which is why we haven't been able to vlog as much as we'd like to. Some of you guys follow me on Instagram and would know that I am going to Bali. V Squad is going to Bali. S Squad is staying in Australia. No, but seriously, Aussie can't really come because he just started a new job and you know how it is, you can't really take leave when you've started a new job. But I'm off to Darnell's game. Just gonna pull some of these blinds down because they're so sunny. But my mum just called me saying that they're at a cafe with my sisters, so to make my way there now. Aussie bought these Cheeto Puffs. You can get them at Woolies now. So I told him to eat it and it is so chilly. It is way too chilly. So I'm gonna go give it to my sisters to see if they like it. Guys, I also wanted to give a massive shout out to Miyagi Beats. We never got the chance to publicly thank you on a YouTube video to Miyagi Beats. He made a few of the soundtracks that we used in our Samoa vlogs and our intro song. If you want to check him out, all of his links are down in the description box below. But he is an up-and-coming producer and he produced those soundtracks. So we are in need of some tunes soon. So look out, Miyagi. I'll be hitting you up for some more soundtracks. But I love his work. Support a brother, click in the description box, follow his Facebook page, Instagram and YouTube channel. Go Miyagi Beats. I jump in my car without my hair done and then I just like quickly do it when I get there in the car park. Alright guys, let's go. And I promise I will give you all my loving. You. Shout out to my cousin Wayne the Wizard. Check him out on SoundCloud. This is his beats. Forever, my darling. I'ma do a Aussie. Yep. Everyone's looking at me, guys. Seriously, can a girl just drive and sing? Is that such a big deal these days? Everyone's just peeking? Let me live, jeez. Shout out to my husband, Aussie. He's got the meanest raps. Yo, dope, yo, boat, camel float, dope, yo, a camel toe. I always like to turn my Wi-Fi and internet off, like data, because it's not really good for you when you sleep. And I stopped using my Bluetooth headphones because I've recently discovered how bad it is for you. Like the 5G network that's coming out, that is some serious radiation, guys. You could be getting breast cancer. Don't put your phones in your bra and stuff. I used to get told this all the time and I used to laugh all the time when people used to tell me that, and it is so true. All this Bluetooth technology, it's too much radiation for our bodies. So I always like to turn it off when I go to sleep and I put my phone away from me so that if I get text messages, then it's away from my body. So I'm gonna do my hair now. I'll be back. Guys, so we got Molly's breakfast. This is a special breakfast. Go hard, Delzy, go hard. So Aussie's at work, guys, as I said. Ooh, look at my hair. It's nice and dead, nice and light and beautiful. Oh, wow, that's nice. Wow, so, wow. Got you lucky.
praise the Lord.
Oh.
My blessing to them.
Okay.
From your one and only daughter.
Mom, I booked my bus sister to go to Bali.
What about your thing?
No, he doesn't want to go. Still kind of scared, so I'm like, oh, whatever. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to go through all that trouble and then him be so ungrateful and be mad at me that I did that. Because then we're going to fight, girl. We're going to be throwing hands. Look at this guy still in his jammy jams. Eben, say hi. Aw, so cute. These guys called me to come to breakfast. And I'm sure they just called me to me to eat their breakfasts. Well, I'll just sit here. Wow, how rude. You know better. We're here at the games now. Molly does not like these hot Cheetos, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know why I thought she did.
It's yummy.
It's chilly, Mum.
No.
There you go. Go, Delzy, show us what you got.
Put the music next to it.
No, I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Oh. Go.
Okay, guys, just picture the Get It Up challenge song. Wow! Woo!
Come on, just do it properly.
You have to look at the camera. Ow! Put my eye, yeah. Ew, Molly! Stinky! Oh, wow. Look, this is my chair! This is my chair! They won't let me sit in my chair! I bought this chair! It was $30 from Supercharge! It was $30 from Supercharge! This is my chair! Oh my gosh, we're embarrassing Molly. Look at this fat badunga donks!
Hey.
Thanks for helping me, Zaya. I didn't do nothing. Yeah, Molly.
What is it?
Ew, you jiggle. Get up. Molly, there's chips in there, you big fatso. My face looks so swollen. It's Darnell's finals today, so we are running late. I'm here to pick up Molly, but her big ass is just taking her time. And the kickoff is in 20 minutes. The place is like 30 minutes away. So we're obviously gonna be late. So straight after the game, we're going to Amaziah's birthday, and then we got my cousin's 21st birthday at night tonight. So it's gonna be a busy night. Aussie's at work because he works on Saturdays. He's gonna come to the party, I think Amaziah's party. But if Molly's big ass can hurry up, otherwise I'm gonna just leave without her. Guys, the pressure is always on when Eddie's versus Marist. And Darnell scored! First score for Eddie's. It's halftime now. It's an intense game, but the cheerleaders are here to cheer on Eddie's! Everyone, it's the birthday boy! I got you a gift too. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it so much, okay? Do you have anything to say for your birthday? Just say hi, everyone. Say hi, everyone. Don't be rude. This official is such a pukio. Say hello.
Hello.
I love you.
Hi.
Say I love you.
Hi.
Auntie
Auntie
Victoria.
Victoria.
What's your name?
Abena.
Your name's not Ebenezer. I can't stand this neighbor. He's such a books. We're going to Zaya's party now. So more background on that that official. He was such books as well. Everyone's a books today, okay? And so I've just been waiting in the car now for like 10 minutes. And my poor husband is still at work. I miss him. And I'm so annoyed that Darnell lost that grand final, honestly. I know it's just a game. They ain't gonna get any money for it. But like, ugh, that ref as well was like a kid. Anyways, better luck next year. It's the birthday king!
Oh, he doesn't want it.
I want it.
Chips lover.
Cool, chips! I had to rush to the store and get Zaya a bag. I got this dinosaur one because he loves dinosaurs. And I want to show you guys what I got him. He wanted a puzzle. So I got him this 3D dinosaur puzzle. Basically it's like a mixer that you put in this bowl-y thing and it makes a dragon. I don't know how it works, but... And then I got him this little puzzle piece. So guys, I'm gonna quickly see if this fits in the bag. We're going back to the place. Look at these guy ingers. What are these guy ingers doing here?
It's your boy Astor.
Little kids.
A to the S to the O. That's my name, yo yo. And if you go to school, no.
Hi. Go now. What's yours? You have to rap battle. Rap battle. My name is Darnell. Yeah, I am a funnel. Yeah. Is it Mona's birthday? Oh, but he's in your chair. Oh, so I better give all your presents to Mona then.
No. So cute.
Wait, Kuli.
You don't want to pay?
Molly's big, but Dunka Dunk wants to go on the slide.
This one says, Happy birthday, Zazu. Love Uncle Ossie and Auntie Vicky. Okay.
What is this? What's this?
Wow, it's a 3D puzzle, this one. And this is a Jurassic time travel egg express. So you can grow your own egg.
Thank you.
That's okay. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Okay. Presents. Love always. Eddie, Eben, Auntie Chris and Uncle Filippo. What do you say?
Thank you.
Wow.
And that's cute. And a book.
Wow, what a beautiful book, Messiah.
Oh, Transformer.
Look at his face, Chris.
You didn't even know which one was the Transformer.
Which one is that? Did you like
Yeah, look. Yo, Zaya, finish that. Come sit
Oh.
down.
Do you love it? It's from Asia.